Have you ever found yourself needing to insert a key value pair into a Python dictionary, but you're not sure how to do it at a specific position? It can be a bit tricky, especially if you're working with a large dictionary loaded from a YAML document. But don't worry. Today we're going to solve that problem together. I totally understand your frustration. You have a dictionary, and you want to insert a new key value pair without having to delete and reinsert everything. It can feel overwhelming, especially when you're dealing with a large data set. You're definitely not alone in this. Let's break down the specific question at hand. One user asked, "How do I insert a key value pair into a Python dictionary at a specified location?" They provided an example dictionary with the name, age, and class, and they want to insert a phone number before the age and after the name. Sound familiar? Let's dive into the solution. So what's the challenge here? Python dictionaries are unordered collections, which means they don't maintain the order of items. However, if you're using an ordered dict, you can maintain the order and insert items at specific positions. Let's explore how to do this effectively. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a quick tip that will make working with dictionaries even easier. You won't want to miss it. To insert a key value pair into a specific position in a Python dictionary, the user can utilize the ordered dict from the collections module. This allows for maintaining the order of elements. Next, the user should convert the existing dictionary into an ordered dict. This will allow for easier manipulation of the order of the elements. Now, to insert the new key value pair, the user can use the move to end method. This method allows the user to specify the position by moving existing keys around. Finally, the user can convert the ordered dict back to a regular dictionary if needed. This will maintain the order of insertion. Fun fact, did you know that Python dictionaries were unordered until version 3.7? Now they maintain insertion order, which makes tasks like this much easier. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. This user offers a straightforward method to insert a key value pair into a dictionary without any additional imports. First, they find the position of the key age. Then, they convert the dictionary into a list of key value pairs, insert the new pair at the desired position, and finally, recreate the dictionary from the modified list. Additionally, the user mentions that the ruaml.yaml library provides an insert method, allowing for easy insertion of key value pairs in YAML data structures. Now let's dive into a different answer from another user. An alternative approach to inserting a key value pair into a dictionary at a specified position involves using an ordered dict. The user provides a function that checks if the input is a dictionary and allows for insertion before a specified key. If no position is given, the function simply updates the dictionary with the new item. The user demonstrates this with examples, showing how to insert items correctly. Now, let's see a response from a different user. An alternative approach to inserting a key value pair into a dictionary is provided by a user. They suggest defining a function called addItem. This function takes three parameters: the dictionary, the new key value pair, and the key after which you want to insert the new pair. Inside the function, the user finds the index of the old key and constructs a new dictionary by combining the keys before and after the specified position, inserting the new pair in between. The output of this function, when given the example input, would be a new dictionary with the phone entry added correctly. This method allows for precise control over the insertion position. Now, let's see a response from a different user. An alternative approach provided by a user involves using the zip function to manage the insertion of a key value pair into a dictionary. First, they separate the dictionary into two lists, one for keys and one for values. Then they find the index of the item before the insertion point. After that, they insert the new entry into both lists at the specified position. Finally, they zip the two lists back together to create the updated dictionary. That's the end of that answer. Let's see another perspective. This user suggests using the round-trip load function from the ruaml.yaml library to maintain the order of keys when loading a YAML document. They explain that after loading, you can find the position of the key where you want to insert a new key-value pair. They also mention that the round-trip dump function will return an ordered dictionary, allowing you to maintain the order of elements when dumping the data back to YAML format. Here's that quick tip I promised. Always consider using ordered dict when you need to maintain the order of your items in a dictionary. It can save you a lot of time and effort. And there you have it. You now know how to insert key-value pairs into a dictionary at specified positions. Remember, using ordered dict can make your life a lot easier. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks.